Namaste. In Sanatan Dharma, the question number two, which is very pivotal as scriptures like the Vedas, Upanishads, and Bhagavad Gita are considered eternal source of spiritual wisdom, guiding life's purpose and moral conduct. They emphasize transcendental knowledge and inner realization over worldly pursuits, highlighting a profound distinction between spiritual enlightenment and empirical learning. Understanding this difference is crucial for navigating spiritual growth and harmonizing individual consciousness with cosmic order. Life operates in cycles. Our world is governed by these perpetual rhythms, reflected even in our bodies, which undergoes constant creation and dissolution, such as our breathing. Inhaling is life and exhaling is death, akin to broader cosmos. The pursuit of today is optimizing our physical, mental, and spiritual well being. Yet, are we truly learning the essentials to maintain harmony within mind, body, and soul? Or should we question the nature of reality itself, whether the sense of mind, body, and soul exists independently or transcends them altogether? These inquiries underpins our quest for holistic understanding and fulfillment. Sanatan Dharma, having undergone numerous cycles of evolution and development, it has already confronted all the challenges that science presently facing. Thus, the challenges that humanity has encountered since its inception are comprehensively documented in various texts such as Dharma Shastras, Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita for moral and spiritual guidance, Arthashastra by Kautilya for economic prosperity, Kama Sutra by Vatsyayan for understanding desires, Niti Shastra for principles of governance, Rasa Shastra for metallurgy, Shushrut Samhita for surgical techniques, Surya Samhita for astrology, and the list is on and on and on. We need to understand the difference between the scriptures in Sanatan Dharma and worldly studies. I will start with the difference. So, purpose and focus. What is the purpose and focus of scriptures in Sanatan Dharma and worldly studies? Aim to reveal the nature of ultimate reality is the purpose of life, and the path to spiritual liberation. They address existential questions and the inner journey of the soul, while worldly studies focus on acquiring knowledge and skills for practical application in the material world. They cover subjects like science, technology, economics, humanities, which is already being covered in the Sanatan Dharma scriptures, which are essential for societal progress and individual success. Next point which I want to make here is nature of knowledge. In Sanatan Dharma, scriptures considered timeless and unchanging, providing wisdom that is applicable across ages. They are often seen as divine revelations or insights from enlightenment beings. Worldly studies dynamic and evolving, with knowledge continually expanding and being updated through research and discoveries. What is the method of learning? Scriptures often involve traditional methods of learning such as oral transmission from guru to shishya, which is disciple. By meditation, self-reflection, they emphasize experiential knowledge and inner realization. While in worldly studies, typically use systematic, analytical and empirical methods, including formal education, experimentation and observation. Now, how scriptures in Sanatan Dharma is superior to worldly studies? So, ultimate truth and eternal knowledge. Scriptures such as Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita and others are believed to contain eternal truths revealed by sages and seers. They address the fundamental questions of existence, the nature of self, Atman, and ultimate reality, which is Brahman. Worldly studies, these focus on empirical knowledge and not the eternal knowledge, and skills applicable to everyday life, and they are subject to change and evolution over time. Spiritual guidance and liberation, scriptures they provide a roadmap for spiritual growth, ethical living, and the attainment of moksha, which is liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Worldly studies primarily aim at improving material well-being, professional skills, and intellectual understanding of physical world. Last but not the least, moral and ethical foundation. Scriptures The teachings of Dharma, righteousness, are central, offering moral and ethical guidance for living a life of virtue, self discipline, compassion, service to society, and so on. Worldly studies, while they may include ethical considerations, their primary focus is not on spirituality or moral development but on day to day well being. So, at the end, I want to conclude the scriptures of Sanatana Dharma, such as Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, offer profound insights into the nature of ultimate reality, spiritual liberation, and ethical living, addressing existential question and guiding the inner journey of the soul. They are revered for their timeless wisdom and spiritual guidance, contrasting with worldly studies that focus on practical knowledge and material success. Understanding the superiority of scriptures lies in their pursuit of eternal truths, moral foundation, and holistic development, essential for achieving spiritual fulfillment and harmonizing individual consciousness with the cosmic order. Thank you so much.